Last time that we went on air, we had a long queue of women with umbrellas who had turned out right from the morning. In fact, they have perhaps outwitted the men. You can see the queue of the men. It is quite long, but the women queue is much shorter because they turned up in large number right from the morning with their umbrellas, because across Northeast, the temperatures have been 2-3 notches higher than what it used to be at this point of time. In fact, not only men and women, this time there are people with disabilities, aged people who are getting help from the election commission, like wheelchairs are provided. Remember, NDTV also is running a campaign for ease of accessibility of polling stations for people like them. দেউতা আপনি ভোট দিব আহিছে, কেনেকা লাগিছে?
বৰ ভাল লাগিছে। আগৰ আপোনাৰ এনেকুৱাকৈ মই সুবিধা পোৱা নাছিলোঁ, কিন্তু এতিয়া এনেকুৱা এটা সুবিধা দিছে যে চৌকীত আনি পেলাই মোক ভোট দিয়াব পাৰিছে।
So here this gentleman thanking the election commission for making this arrangement for elderly people and people with disabilities like him. They're providing them with polling stations which have ramp. There are wheelchairs for them so that they can be given an accessibility to the polling stations. And we are coming to you from Nagaon, which is a hot seat. Among the 7 seats in Northeast which have gone to polls today, Nagaon is the only seat which is with the Congress, and this time there is a triangular fight here. The sitting MP Pradyut Bordoloi, Congress heavyweight, is up against BJP Suresh Bora, who has actually joined from the Congress to the BJP, and Aminul Islam of AIUDF, a firebrand MLA himself. And Nagaon is one constituency where the religious polarization is a factor. So are in other 4 constituencies in Assam. Karimganj, the only Muslim majority constituency in Assam, which is with the BJP. This time there is a tough fight there. Also a prestige battle in Silchar, where you have Parimal Shuklabaidya, Assam's cabinet minister, up against TMC's Radhesham Biswas. And outside Bengal, remember, Silchar is one seat where TMC is putting up a fight against the Congress and the BJP. In fact, Mamata Banerjee had campaigned hard in Silchar, so much so that Union Home Minister Amit Shah also had to come and campaign rather. And in fact, so therefore you can see the women, they're still there with their umbrellas. The umbrellas are still out, but the excitement is huge. So some of them are shy, they don't want to speak, but their enthusiasm is high. Also, there is polling going on in Outer Manipur. Remember, in an interesting way, Outer Manipur has half of it has polled in the first phase. The second half, which is closer to the Myanmar border, is polling today. And East Tripura constituency, tribal reserve constituency, that is polling today. There, right from the beginning, right from the morning, we are getting pictures, visuals of very high turnout, despite temperatures being high from East Tripura as well.